I'm 10 years out of college and I'm still 10 years behind. All the things I thought I'd have by now are still so out of sight, and that doesn't really sit with me quite right. I'm 32 years into this life. I should have more W's than L's. Got so used to hell I don't even feel the fire when it's in my face. And I'm up late at night thinking, am I okay? Or should I change to something safer? Bad in theory, good on paper. Settle down and fall